Hello, my name is Heather Booth, and I'm going to be your instructor for Math 1060 Quantitative Reasoning 2. I received my Bachelor of Science in Math from Tarleton State University and my Master of Science in Math from Texas A&M University. I've been teaching since 2001, and I also spent 10 years working in technology services for a Class 1 railroad. I look forward to working with each of you throughout the course. This particular course is going to cover topics relating to real-world problems, and we'll use algebra, probability, and statistics concepts. Now, when you first log into the course, you will see this page, and please be sure to check out any recent announcements that will be shown up here at the top. I will be posting helpful information here throughout the course. And if this is your first time through the course, it's a great idea to use the Start Here button and then go through each page to get a feel for the classroom. And then, of course, in the future, when you're ready to access a specific area directly, you can use this modules link over here on the left menu. Now, one thing you will find under the Start Here button is this assignment summary link. This is a great checklist that you can use throughout the course. It shows you each assignment, when it is due, and how many points that assignment is worth. Also, each week you will participate in the discussion board for that current week in order to earn engagement credit. I have posted the weekly expectations at the beginning of each discussion board, so be sure to read through that for specifics each week. You will also be working on assignments using My Math Lab. This is such a wonderful platform. It's very helpful as you're learning new concepts. The way you will access the lab is to select My Lab and Mastering on the left menu here. And then the first thing you will see is under Student Links, it will say My Lab Math All Assignments. So select the All Assignments, and it will open up a new window and show you all of the assignments that are available to you. So what you can do is you can start working on the first assignment here, and I want to show you a little bit about the wonderful setup of this layout. So I'm going to click on a problem here. This one has not been attempted yet. And you can read the problem. If you know the answer, you can type it in here. If you do not know the answer just yet, you can click over here on the Question Help button in the upper right corner. And notice you'll have a range of options here. The Help Me Solve This option is, it's very helpful. It will prompt you for each step as you work through the particular problem. However, once you finish and enter the answer, it's not going to count as correct since it helped you through it. If that happens, you will need to work a similar problem, and I will show you how to do that here in just a minute. Another great help feature is View an Example. And if you select this, it will give you a step-by-step explanation for the exact same type of problem that you're currently working on. The only difference is it will use slightly different numbers throughout the problem. So you can follow the steps in this example and apply it to your problem. So let's say that you enter an answer, and I'm just going to purposely enter an incorrect answer to show you how this works. When you say check answer, notice it says, sorry, that's incorrect. It gives you some tips, and you say okay, and it allows you to try again. So I'm just going to leave that for now and say check answer, and it again tells me it's not correct. And then it offers me one final check if I want to change my answer one more time. After final check, it says, sorry, that's incorrect. Here's the correct answer. But notice, this similar question button shows up. If you select that, notice we're on number 3 right here. We're on problem 3. If I select similar question, it gives me a brand new version of problem number 3. So essentially, you can continue working on the homework in order to earn a perfect score. All right. There will also be quizzes throughout the course, and the links for the quizzes are found under the module week that particular quiz is contained in. You see here it's not every week. And to complete the quiz, you click on the link, and notice you have 2 attempts at the quiz, and the highest of the 2 grades will stay in your gradebook. So definitely make sure to make use of that option. The other assignments that you will see are worked out problems or worked out homework assignments and project assignments. And each of these you can read the details by selecting the link. Notice this worked out problems assignment. The problems are attached right here for you. If you open up this file, these are problems from your textbook. And I've already written out the problems in this file, but you can also access your textbook to see the problems there. And you'll want to show your work, listing all of your steps, and clearly show your final answer. Save the file. After you save the file, you will go back to the screen for the Module 1 worked out problems. This is what your view will actually look like. The last view was the view that I see. And you will see this Submit Assignment button. So you can upload the file to that link. All right, so this should be enough information for you to get started. Please feel free to email me, heather.booth@baker.edu, if you have any questions along the way. I look forward to a great session with everyone.